guys, what's up? It's iDestiny. So welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys. I feel like I haven't seen you guys in forever. So I'm trying to get all of these reviews and stuff out. So many different products I've been testing over the past month or so, trying out, getting in the mail, looking at, wanting to do first impressions, wanting to do reviews, all that kind of stuff. But welcome back. So today I'm reviewing the MONQR. Now this is Monq's very first rechargeable personal essential oil diffuser. It was maybe about 2 years back where I reviewed the Monq Zen, which is this specific blend that they have here in the MONQR. I'm having a hard time getting this thing out. So yeah, I've been reviewing Monq products for a while now. I've tested them against other products. I've tested the whole line of 7. I've tested the Feel Nature ones, like literally any Monq product that there has been, I probably reviewed, except for I think maybe their active wear line that they have and their bathing suits. I haven't tried that out yet. That's not really my thing here. But yeah, so what are my first thoughts just upon like looking at this product, getting this product, finally testing it, finally looking at it, all the above. Why didn't they come out with this sooner? It's weird because I feel like when Monq first came out, there was like several other companies that were kind of coming out with the same thing. They had vitamin diffusers, they had essential oil diffusers, they had blends of essential oils with vitamins and all sorts of things. And other companies that I feel like had less reach than Monq were like trying to do the rechargeable diffusers, were trying to do like the battery packs and stuff like that. And I just always felt like, okay, when is Monq gonna do their version of the rechargeable diffuser? And so I feel like this is kind of a long time coming, considering they're one of the forward like main brands that are coming out with these that I feel like people know and are familiar with. So I just wish they would have came out with it sooner. I don't know if it's because they wanted to focus on perfecting their essential oil diffusers, because a lot of the companies, even ones that I've looked at, you know, possibly reviewed, tried, tested, whatever, they kind of came out with their diffusers, and some of them weren't the best quality, some of them weren't the greatest quality, some of them were using like low-end essential oils and low-end kind of mixtures and things like that, and mixing in other things that I feel like weren't really relevant. And so maybe that's what the thing was of. I'm not exactly sure. I haven't talked to Monq and asked them specifically about that, but I just feel like they're kind of a little they're a little bit late on this one. I'm very glad that they've done this. I know a lot of people that are very into the environment and you know, love biodegradable products, love rechargeable and reusable products. I know that a lot of people have been reaching out to them, just asking them, you know, hey, are you guys going to create something like this? And maybe it was just something that they didn't even realize until later on down the road. I don't know. But upon getting this, the packaging is really nice. It's very sleek. I like it. It's kind of like that rubber grip material. I love the fact how it just pops open like that. That's really cool. And then it comes with this, I'm assuming this is the charging cord, so it is USB. It doesn't have the block that attaches to the wall. So you would have to plug this into maybe like your computer or get a block from your cell phone and then attach it. And it has 2 little lights here, one that says Monq and one that says case. How to use, removes the diffuser, blah blah blah, in a suitable location. The case indicator light on the bottom of the Monq, blah blah blah. A solid green case light indicates a full charge. Okay, but I don't see anything specifying which light is which. I don't know. Maybe let's just try it out and see. Okay. Oh, those are cute. They're like little thingies that say Zen, and they have rubber on both ends, so that's kind of cool. Okay, so I have 2 little, I'm assuming little pods here, orange, frankincense, and Langley. Just FYI, this is my favorite blend that they've ever made, is the Zen. I reviewed it on my channel. I'll link it above for you guys to check out. The video is so old. My background, I'm in the same place, but the background is completely different before I remodeled and all that jazz. You guys can check that out. Oh, okay. So on the very right end, I have the full-size Monq, and then I have the 2 little storage pods here. Has a little sticker on the end. Oh, okay. Okay, it already has a pot on it. Okay, I'm slow. Let's chill. Okay, so it's already on. Perfect. this was not a concern of mine, but it slightly is now. As I'm trying this, the essential oil blend that they have in here tastes like it's the same, but I don't know if it's just the configuration of the pods and attaching them to this. It tastes slightly different. I don't know what it is. And I have a stash of Monqs back here. Actually, I'm gonna do a contest. You know what? Let's do a contest. Let's see, what should I ask you guys? What's your favorite Monq and why? We're gonna keep it in the US. Very, very sorry, we're gonna keep it in the US just because shipping something this small out of the country is like almost not even worth it. And I'll choose a winner. Let's do two, haha, let's do two. So one on here, one on YouTube, and then we'll do a giveaway on Instagram. So for those of you that have me on Instagram, theidestiny, so go follow me on Instagram, and then just comment on any one of my photos and tell me what's your favorite Monq and why, and I'll DM you on there. So we'll pick one on YouTube and one on Instagram. US only, 18 or older. I'll put the details in the description box down there for y'all to check out. And then let's get it cracking. So I have a gazillion of these, not the MONQR, but just the normal ones over there that I have, use, all that jazz. And this tastes slightly different. I don't know what it is, if it's the configuration or what, but it does have a slightly different taste. But I mean, I feel like maybe 70%, I don't know, I feel like maybe 70 to 85% of people won't even notice that there's a difference. But considering I've been reviewing these for a couple years now, I've had batches and batches of these, it does taste slightly different. And I'm not a hater. I mean, this company, I am an affiliate of them. So if you want to buy something and you want a discount, I'll put the link below. But I do really care about this product, and because of that, I am very, very hard on it. It does have a slightly different taste. For those of you that are Monq aficionados, you will notice a slight difference. I love the fact that it's rechargeable and that you can add the little pods on it, all that kind of stuff. I love that. I feel like it's very, very cute, and the way that they did the packaging and everything is a lot nicer than some of the other companies that I've seen do something similar to this, so that's good. Maybe they took a long time to be able to kind of put this together, but I don't know. I mean, like, what do you do exactly with the pods when they're done? It just says when the initial pod is empty, remove the empty pod by twisting it and disposing of it in a suitable location. Like, what does that mean? Can I ship them back? And I know that this was a question that they had with the original Monqs as well. Like, when we were finishing off the diffusers, I mean, for me, where it's like I had dozens of them at one point, it was like, okay, when I'm done, what do I do with them? And they had initially a program where you can send them to the company, and if you sent them 10, they would send you one for free, and they'd recycle them and all that kind of stuff. But I haven't really seen anything that talks about recycling the pods. I mean, yes, this is slightly more sustainable because instead of you getting 3 of these, you're getting 1 with 3 little attachments, but still, what do you do with them when you're done? We don't know. We don't know. I like this case. This is cute. The little snap-on thing. So yeah, I mean, it's very, very sleek. It's pretty to look at. It's convenient. You can throw it in your bag, throw it in your purse. It's really, really small. It's maybe like slightly more narrow than a credit card, and maybe longer by like maybe an inch or so. So very, very petite, very small. I have pretty small hands, and it fits in the palm of my hand. Very, very small. But again, I mean, I like the idea, but I just wish that the whole recycling thing was thought through a little bit more. Maybe there's something on the website that I'm missing. If you know something, comment below, let us all know. But let's look at price. Love when you have to like scroll back and forth and scroll back and forth. Okay, so the MONQR, it looks like they're on sale right now. They're initially $100, 99 bucks. So that's definitely on the higher end from other companies that I've seen that have products similar to this. They're on sale right now for $69, it looks like. But that's, again, with the rechargeable case, the diffuser, and the 2 pods, which is crazy to me because if you get the regular Monqs that are about this length by themselves, they're about 20 bucks. So you think 20, 40, 60, like that's 3, but you're paying $100 for 3 and a case. I don't know, it just seems a little bit pricey to me. I mean, I know with the case and the whole rechargeable thing that might add a little bit, but still, I mean, I feel like that $40 difference, like, is that for the case? Like, I'm just not really sure. And then if you get the pods, like the little refillable things in here, those are $15 a piece. So again, I feel like that is a little bit steep considering a whole one of these in the regular plain Monqs are $20. So the tiny little pods are $15 now. So I don't know. Is it worth it? I would say that if it's your first time trying Monq, definitely just go and get the regular diffuser. That way you can try the blends out, see if they work for you, see if you even like them. I reviewed all the different blends, so I'll link the various videos up here for you guys to check out. That way you guys can see my opinion on the flavors and blends that I like, the ones that I'm not a big fan of. But I don't know, I feel like this is a little steep. If you are an avid Monq user and you know that there's a blend that you love and you constantly buy it, over and over again, maybe check this out when they're having a sale like this. This sale seems like it's pretty good, and or use my discount code below to at least knock some points off of this so that you can try it out and not kill the bank. So that's kind of my first impression on this. If you have any sort of opinions on this, if you've tried it out and you're like, I don't really know, it's not that great, or oh, I absolutely love it, comment below, let me know, let other people know which blends that you've tried and which ones you like in the MONQR. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like this video if you want to see more. I'll be posting more as usual. Make sure to do well and be well, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.